Stuck in a Rocket Lawyer subscription you no longer need? Feeling that monthly charge silently draining your account, even though you haven't touched their services in ages? You're not alone. We've all been there, signing up for a trial, needing a quick document, or perhaps just exploring options, only to find ourselves in an ongoing commitment we later regret. It's like signing up for a gym membership with the best intentions, then realizing a few months in that your couch is far more appealing. The good news is, canceling Rocket Lawyer isn't like trying to escape a legal thriller. It's definitely doable. And with the right steps, you can free yourself from those recurring payments and reclaim your financial peace of mind. Today, we're going to walk you through exactly how to do that step by step so you can stop those charges and move on. First things first, let's understand a little about Rocket Lawyer and why you might have signed up in the first place. They offer a fantastic suite of legal services: document creation, legal advice, even registered agent services for businesses. For many, it's a convenient and affordable way to handle common legal needs without the hefty price tag of traditional law firms. Maybe you needed a last will and testament, a lease agreement, or perhaps you were setting up a new LLC and needed help with the incorporation documents. Rocket Lawyer provides immense value in those situations. However, once that specific need is met, or your business trajectory changes, keeping an active subscription can become an unnecessary expense. Perhaps you've found a local attorney, your legal needs have evolved, or you simply aren't utilizing the service enough to justify the cost. Whatever your reason, recognizing when it's time to part ways is the first crucial step. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How to actually cancel your Rocket Lawyer subscription. The process is generally straightforward, but like many online services, it's designed to be intuitive for signups, not always for cancellations. So, let's break it down into manageable steps. Your primary portal for managing your Rocket Lawyer account, including cancellations, is their website. You won't be able to cancel through an app or by simply deleting your account. You need to log in directly to their web platform. Step 1. Log in to your Rocket Lawyer account. This might seem obvious, but ensure you're using the correct login credentials, the email address and password you used when you originally signed up. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Don't let a forgotten password be a roadblock. It's a common issue and easily resolved. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once you're logged in, you'll typically find a link to your account settings or profile in the top right corner of the page. Look for something like My Account, Settings, or Profile. This is where all your subscription details, payment information, and personal data are stored. Click on it to access your account dashboard. Step 3. Locate your membership or subscription details. Within your account settings, you'll need to find the section dedicated to your membership, subscription, or plan details. Rocket Lawyer, like many services, might phrase this differently, but it will generally be under a heading that clearly indicates your current plan or billing information. Look for terms like membership, subscription, plan details, or billing. Step 4. Find the cancellation option. This is often the trickiest part, as companies don't always put the cancellation button in plain sight. You might need to scroll down, click on a Manage Plan button, or even navigate through a couple of submenus. Look for phrases like Cancel Membership, Cancel Plan, Change Plan, or Do Not Renew. Sometimes, it's a small, unassuming link at the bottom of the page or within a larger block of text about your subscription. Be patient and persistent in your search. Step 5. Follow the cancellation prompts. Once you locate the cancellation option and click on it, Rocket Lawyer will likely present you with a series of prompts. These are often designed to understand your reason for canceling and, in some cases, to try and retain you as a customer. They might offer you a discount, a different plan, or ask for feedback. You are not obligated to accept any offers or provide extensive reasons. Simply select the option that allows you to proceed with the cancellation. Step 6. Confirm your cancellation. This is a crucial step. After going through the prompts, Rocket Lawyer will typically ask you to confirm your cancellation one last time. Do not skip this step. Make sure you click the final Confirm Cancellation or Complete Cancellation button. You might also receive an email confirmation shortly after. Save this email as proof of your cancellation. It's your official record that you've successfully terminated your subscription. What if you can't find the cancellation option online? While the online method is the most common and generally preferred, there are instances where you might run into issues. Perhaps the website is undergoing maintenance, or you're simply having trouble locating the specific link. In such cases, Rocket Lawyer provides alternative methods for cancellation. Alternative Method 1. Contact customer support via phone. Rocket Lawyer has a customer support team that can assist you with cancellations. Their phone number is usually available on their Contact Us page. Be prepared to provide your account information, email address, name associated with the account to help them locate your subscription quickly. While calling, be clear and direct about your intention to cancel your membership. Note down the name of the representative you speak with and the date and time of your call for your records. Alternative Method 2. Contact customer support via email or live chat. If phone calls aren't your preference, Rocket Lawyer also offers email support or a live chat feature on their website. You can send them a clear and concise email stating your request to cancel your subscription, including your account details. For live chat, engage with a representative and clearly communicate your cancellation request. Again, keep a record of your correspondence, such as screenshots of the chat or a copy of your email. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.